Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your master combo decoder to your TV set. Alright, so if you have bought it and you don't know how to actually do the necessary connections and then the rightful use of the ports, watch this video till the end. So we have here the first port, which is the antenna port, whereby you're going to insert in the cable from your antenna. So if I talk of the antenna, this is the antenna. Alright, the TV pole that they used to call it. And we have the LNB port, which you need to connect your cable from the LNB. This is the LNB. Now you're gonna find it on top of your satellite dish. Alright, so the LNB port right here, you have the USB to actually connect a dongle or any USB to play and then record files on your decoder. And we have the HDMI ports to actually send the video signal in a high definition to your TV set. And we have the AV ports over here actually connected to your TV. Alright, and we have the RF out, which is purposely for you to transfer the video signal to another TV set through the radio frequency. Alright, we have the adapter ports right here, 12 volts to power the decoder. So to start with your connection, the first thing, if you are to install with a satellite dish, you have to go straight to the LNB port. You have to ignore the antenna port. This is the antenna port. So I have to go in for the LNB port. That's for the satellite dish. If you are to install both the satellite and the antenna channels too, you have to insert in your antenna cable over here. It's actually like this. And with antenna cable or the signal cable, if you don't know how to strip it, this is how you should strip it, and then insert the F connector. So you don't have any tool to actually strip it. You have a cable strip here and then complier. But if you don't have any tool, all you got to do is to use your kitchen knife. So you should level the cable like this and remove ½ inch of the cable, the first layer. ½ inch of the first layer. Alright. And you shouldn't remove the 8 wire that is on the second layer, and then remove the inner layer, remaining the main pin. Alright, and then you have to insert the F connector. If you don't have any F connector, you need to get an F connector to actually do the installation. So insert your F connector right here, and you do same to the other side of the cable. Okay, so let's come to the decoder. Here the next thing will be my ports. If you are using a plasma TV, this is an HDMI port. You have to do the necessary connection over here. Insert one side of the cable over here and the other side to your TV HDMI port. So you have different ports on your TV HDMI. So you need to indicate it after inserting in whether HDMI port 1, port 2 to get a video signal on your TV. And if you are not having any plasma TV or you prefer using the AV, you have to insert your AV cable over here. The red cable for the red ports, white for white, and yellow for yellow. The yellow holds the video signal, so make sure that you fit it well into the port. Alright, the other side goes to your TV. White for white, red for red, and yellow for yellow, right there. So this, you need to ignore the RF out. You have the RF out port here. You have to ignore it if you are not sending a signal to another TV set. Okay, and the next thing should be the adapter port over there. Inserting your adapter 12 volt adapter to actually power the decoder. Alright, so that's it. You insert it neatly like this. If you are to use, you either use any of this, or if you are to use the HDMI cable, you need to remove this one, and you have to be like this. And if you are to install the satellite, you have to remove this one, the antenna cable. So these are the cables that have to be at the back of your decoder. Alright, if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.